Hello. Today we're talking about junk or jewels. What is your clutter? Do you think it's jewels? Does anyone else think it's jewels? Look at it. It's probably junk. Most of the stuff that's clutter is things you haven't used in a long time, and if you didn't own it and you went to a garage sale, you wouldn't buy it because it's junk. Open up your eyes. It's not jewels, it's junk. Now, I'm not saying that it's all junk. You might certainly have jewels in there. Things that have been buried for so long that you didn't even realize you had them, and you've been wondering where they are. And when you find a jewel, you brush it off, you polish it up, and you put it where it belongs. But the rest of that stuff is junk. So let's get rid of it. Either give it away if you think it's worthy, or throw it away. Make it a great day.